throw away your massive boilerplate codebases for enterprise AI agents. The actual logic always gets buried under endless infrastructure just to connect a model. IBM CUGA is an open-source agent harness that removes the busy work of building enterprise AI tools. Normally, developers have to manually stitch together APIs, manage conversation history, and handle retries. The plumbing quickly outweighs the actual prompt engineering. This framework takes a different approach. It simplifies agent development by allowing developers to define tools and prompts in a single FastAPI file. Under the hood, CUGA abstracts complex model clients, tool adapters, and state plumbing. You don't have to write custom wrappers for every single LLM you want to test. Because it handles the messy tool adapters behind the scenes, your agent can call internal corporate APIs without you writing hundreds of lines of translation logic. Getting started is completely standard for Python developers. You can literally just install CUGA via pip to bring the harness into your environment. From there, you aren't starting from scratch. You can simply use the provided examples to build their own agents, adapting them to your specific business logic. This matters because it enables significantly faster development cycles for enterprise agents. You spend your time refining the agent's behavior, not wrestling with infrastructure. While other frameworks focus on general-purpose consumer toys, this is built strictly for the enterprise. It integrates cleanly into the Python backend stacks companies already run. The one major caveat, you are buying heavily into the FastAPI ecosystem. If your company relies on a different backend framework, you'll need to adapt your deployment strategy. But for Python backend developers, this is a massive win. You can now ship production-ready agents without learning a completely new proprietary ecosystem. By reducing an entire agent's infrastructure to a single file, IBM is making enterprise AI development feel like standard. Predictable web development again? Expect this single-file FastAPI pattern to become the default standard for deploying internal corporate AI agents by the end of the year.